Are you looking for a fun and simple watercolor project to practice wet-on-wet technique and basic painting skills? Join me in this class where we will paint a vibrant green pumpkin using just 4 watercolors, 1 brush and a watercolor paper. I will guide you through every step, starting with art materials and sketch, and to the step-by-step painting process. We will use wet-on-wet technique, and I will explain every step and color mix I use. This class is suitable for all levels, so whether you are a beginner or feel confident with watercolor, you'll find this project engaging and accessible. As a class project, you will paint a green pumpkin with watercolor. To submit your class project, you will need to make a photo of your painting and upload it to the class project section. I'm always looking forward to the paintings of my students, and I will be happy to share my feedback with you. And don't forget to leave a review. Your feedback is very important. This class is a great way to spend some time with yourself, enjoying painting in a cozy evening. Are you feel excited and ready to start? Grab your brushes, prepare watercolors, and I'll see you in the class!